India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of each street and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
International nationalist is brought by Y. Hemant Kumar from Grade IV topaz. Nationalist. British Columbia Minister resigned for Palestine comment. Nationalist. BJP alone with get at least 370 seats and NDA with cross the 400 seats. PM Modi. Thanks. By GM Suchatan of Grade topaz. State news. Iran bans 8 local banks from dollars transaction. Karge named India bloc chairperson. Nitish Kumar down Conver post. Sport news. India will face Afghanistan under the leadership of Rohit Sharma. Indian chess grandmaster Karthikeyan Murli achieves victory over Magnus Carlsen. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Weather report is brought to you by Natsuma of Grade 8 topaz. Weather report. Maximum temperature 20 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 36 degrees Celsius. Mostly sunny. Thank you.
My name is Charan Kumar from Grade 8 topaz. Today's thought is brought to you. Thought. Courage to continue matters more than success or failure. I repeat it again. Courage to continue matters more than success or failure. Thank you. Happy morning to everyone. Happy morning to everyone. Today, what is brought to you by Natsuma Prasad of Grade topaz. What? Courage. It means to ability to do something that fitness one bravery. Friends, please spell after me. Courage. 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 Thank you. This article is brought to you by Santosh from Grade 8 topaz. Today article is about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a great king and brave warrior. He was born on 19 February 1630 at Kunsur in Pune, Maharashtra. His mother name was Jijabai and his father name was Sahaji. He was grown up at Pune under the supervision of his mother and his teacher. Shivaji Maharaj was the founder of Maratha Empire. He won Pura fort at the age of 16 and then he won many more forts one by one. Shivaji Maharaj always believed in equality and justice. He had also strictly warned his soldiers not to cause any harm or disrespect to women. He respected every religion. But Shivaji Maharaj sadly died on 3rd April 1680. The legend who has lived for 50 years. Thank you.
what is happening around the world. International news. Roads flooded, covered by knocked out. Atmospheric river blows into the California. Thank you. Have a thoughtful question.
Here to update you with national news. National news. CBSE agrees teachers to give up for national credit framework. Supreme Court seeks status report on implementation of powers to protect lives from railway accidents. Thank you.
Today I am going to motivate you by thought. In order to succeed, we must first believe that we can. Thank you.
I am Shastra from Grade IV Hazel, telling you weather report. Maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 34 degrees Celsius.
What is portrayed by Sucharita of Grade IV Hazel? Third, congratulations, meaning an expression of joy in the success or good outcome of another. Friends, please spell after me. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
C-O-N.
C-O-M.
G-R-A.
G-R-A.
T-U.
T-U.
L-A.
L-A.
T-I-O-N.
T-I-O-N.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Happy morning, everyone. I am Nirbigna of Grade IV Hazel, here to amaze you with amazing facts. Fact number 1. Frogs drink through their skin. Fact number 2. Dragonflies can see in all directions at once. Fact number 3. Opposite sides of dice always add up to 7. Fact number 4. An average yarn lasts about 6 seconds. Fact number 5. There are more stars in the universe than the grains of sand on the earth. Fact number 6. Moon in Darjeeling, situated at 2,258 meters, is the largest railway station in India.
Thank you. Have a wonderful one. My name is Katya of Grade IV Hazel. Today I am checking your general knowledge. Question for Grade 1.